Team 29 forecast.
All right, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center will be scorching temperatures. It is summer. It's supposed to be hot, but it's going to be hotter than average. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. So far this summer and this year, we've had 23 days of 90-plus degree heat, and that's about right on target for this time of the year. We've had several days this week of 90-plus degrees. Now, so far, the hottest day this year was on June 17th of 97 degrees. We will likely get to that temperature tomorrow, maybe exceeded on Sunday. Our average high is 90 this time of the year, so we're going to be above that for a while longer. Now, looking at the temperature comparison, say the temperature for a high is 95 degrees and the heat index is 100, what it feels like. Inside your vehicle, in a matter of a few minutes to an hour, it can reach 120 degrees, and the paved surfaces could be as hot as 130 degrees. So walking the dog, make sure they're on the grassy surfaces. So we're talking about some very hot temperatures here on out for the weekend ahead. Now, here's a look outside live in Earlysville at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. Barely a cloud in the sky, so we have not only hot air here at the surface, but also where the clouds form. So the atmosphere is what we call capped, and when the atmosphere is capped, you have a warm layer aloft. You're not going to get thunderstorms to form, so I guarantee no rainfall inside, at least for this evening. 92 degrees right now in the shade. That's where official temperatures are taken. Now, we've had a slight drop in dew point, but really it's not noticeable. It's still quite muggy outside with dew points in the upper 60s and the lower 70s. In that hour-by-hour first forecast for your Friday night, it'll be hot over at Fridays after 5 in Charlottesville, but no rainfall, I guarantee it. Temperatures near 90 through sunset. And then we'll be falling through the 80s and 70s. And these are muggy 70s too, by the way. We're not going to be dealing with cool temperatures anytime soon. Tomorrow's forecast already approaching 80 at 8 in the morning. And then we're going to be in the 90s throughout the afternoon with scorching sunshine and really no chance of rain. NBC 29's live Doppler radar shows no rainfall in sight, no isolated activity. It is completely rain and storm free on both sides of the Blue Ridge. The big picture shows some storminess across the upper Ohio Valley, Parkersburg, Marietta. This system, as it moves to the southeast, will never impact our region. We have a bit of a downsloping wind, and that will tend to dry the atmosphere out. So these storms will stay well to our north towards the panhandle of West Virginia, Elkins, Morgantown, Clarksburg, north into areas of Pennsylvania and Pittsburgh. Now, I'm watching the heat. I mean, look at all this color. It looks like Pepto-Bismol, right? Just got spilled all over the U.S. And that's not a great color, right? When we're talking about temperatures of 100-plus degrees from areas of South Dakota all the way to Texas and beyond. And this heat is going to be with us here on out for the weekend. Daytime highs, I post 100 degrees on Sunday. It may not officially reach 100, but 98 degrees will likely be the high temperature. But hey, unless you're a reptile, you're not going to know the difference between 98 to 100 degrees. It's going to be downright hot this weekend, feeling like 100 with the heat index. So, Futurecast shows no storms tonight, some hazy starshine, scorching sunshine tomorrow, no chance of rainfall. There might be, just might be, a rogue storm chance at the end of that hot day on Sunday. And then we'll watch a cold front arrive by, say, early to middle part of next week with our next best chance for showers and storms. Overnight, hazy moonlight with lows in the upper 60s, low 70s. Tomorrow in the 90s, approaching 100 degrees with the heat index. So that's what it will feel like with the heat index and the humidity, mid to upper 90s. So seek the shade and take some breaks and stay in the AC if you can, or hit the pool. High sunburn index. Next best chance for scattered showers and storms will be next week, off and on. Not quite as hot next Tuesday and Wednesday with highs back in the 80s.